Welcome back to another D&Gav adventures, guys. We are doing our intro at the end of the video because we're actually on the way home right now, but this is our intro. So it's been a pretty tough turkey season for Deion and Gavin this year. I haven't been out. I've been stuck working on the past few weekends, so I haven't been out. First time out today, or second time out, I guess. I had one come in this morning. He was gobbling, but he was, I'd say, about 100 yards out. Still, never saw him, just heard him gobbling. He came and he went, tried calling it, but no interest. Deion, so that first opener weekend, you took a shot. You want to tell us about that?
The first week I took a shot because it was a coyote. But first, my grandpa and I thought it was a deer because we saw like some yellow hair. But once we like stood up a little, we saw some white and some gray fur. And then once it saw us and then ran. So I had to take a shot, but I think I missed. Second hunt, it was just me or grandpa and I, 6:30 or so. Sat there for an hour, 7:30 I saw a turkey, but it was pretty far, so I didn't take the shot.
Alright, and how about today's hunt? What happened? What'd you see? Where'd you initially sit? And
I sat on the other side of the field.
Where you saw that turkey came out last week, right?
Yeah.
So you switched this opposite corner of the field, and you went to that corner?
Yep.
And what'd you see?
Nothing.
And you saw a crane?
Yep.
So he relocated this morning, and then he had one come in also gobbling, but it just never made it to him either. I think it was the same one. He probably just made its way around or past me and then made his way to Deion. So this year's hunt's been pretty tough. We've been getting them on camera, but it's just one or two times. They're all alone by themselves, and they're coming like every 4 or 5 days onto the property. So I don't know if we're gonna make it back out, but
Update. It's been an hour since I last recorded, and during that 1 hour I saw a turkey far over there. It was a male. I saw the beard hanging. So hopefully come back. Should I make some more calls and come back?
look at this, guys, on the way home. And this is why I don't like turkey hunting at this time of the year. Nasty ass piece of shit.